Thank you for joining me in this video. In this video, we'll be adding a new view controller and displaying our photo in there. If we have time, save the photo as well. So let's get started. Let's go over to our main storyboard. And let's add a new view controller. Now let's also create a new file, Cocoa Touch class, and name this photo view controller. Let's head over back to our main storyboard. Let's click this view controller over here, the newly created one. Let's go to custom class and name it photo view controller. And let's change the background to black. Okay. Now let's add a segue. Click on this view controller, our first view controller. Hold Control and drag down to photo view controller and select show. Let's name our segue show photo. Let's go back to our photo view controller and add a image view. And let's pin this 0, 0, 0. And let's update our constraints, update frames. Okay. Let's also add a navigation bar. Okay. Let's delete this navigation bar for now. Let's just get this to work. Okay. Let's add our image view as an outlet. Let's also create a new variable called URL, which is type string. And let's create a new function over here, get image, or set image, URL string. It only takes one argument. Let's convert this URL, URL string to a NSURL. Set image from URL. Okay, yeah. We also need to import Haneke over here. URL. So we don't have to set a placeholder or do anything else. What this will do is what this function will do is first it'll look in our cache. If this image exists, it'll load it from the cache. If it does not, it'll just download it again. Not sure what's going on over here. String. Okay. Okay. So let's go over to our main view controller now. So did select. Okay, let's change this. we haven't created this variable yet, but we'll create it right now. What we're doing is we're going to pass over our actually we'll do this when it's needed. I'll show you why we need it later. Um, so we're going to perform the segue with the identifier show photo, and the sender is self. Okay, over here what we're going to do is prepare for segue. If segue identifier equals show photo, then what we need to do is we need to pass over our URL. So we need to pass this over here. Okay. So we don't have an index path, so what we need to do is we need to create a new variable over here. Variable index path is equal to ns index path. And let's initialize that over there. So whenever we click on a cell, what will happen is just trying to look for this function over here. Okay. So whenever someone clicks on a cell, we'll pass over the index path information. Okay. So now we have access to the index path over here, and now this URL should be passed over to our photo view controller. So let's see if this works. Okay. So I'm not sure if we're calling the function. Let's go back. Okay, yeah, we're not calling the function. So on view did load, we're gonna set image and we're gonna set it to the URL. Okay, awesome. So our image is working. So let's just make our image looks stretched out. So we'll just change the mode to aspect fit, and let's see how this looks. Okay, this looks much better. Okay, yeah, this looks much better. Um, I'm gonna end the video for now. In the next video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a navigation bar over here, and we're gonna add the functionality to save our images. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.